Today we'll study how to draw the oxoacids of sulfur. Let's begin with sulfuric acid and sulfurous acid. So the formula for sulfuric acid is H2SO4 and formula for sulfurous acid is H2SO3. Let's begin with sulfuric acid. First you have to draw the central atom, that is sulfur, and 4 valencies you have to draw in tetrahedral manner around it. Now 2 hydrogens are there which will form 2 OH bonds with sulfur, and rest of the 2 oxygens will form double bond with sulfur. So this is the formula for sulfuric acid. Then for sulfurous acid, again we start with the central atom and valencies in tetrahedral manner. Then 2 hydrogens are there which will form 2 OH bonds. These are ionizable hydrogens. Then 1 oxygen atom will form a double bond, and there will be a lone pair here. So this is the structure for this sulfurous acid. Next we have pyrosulfuric acid. In pyrosulfuric acid we have the formula H2S2O7. This acid is also known as oleum. You must have heard this name during the preparation of sulfuric acid. This is formed when 2 molecules of sulfuric acid join together with the loss of 1 water molecule. So we have 2 sulfur atoms with valencies in tetrahedral manner. Then 2 hydrogens are there which will form 2 OH bonds with 2 sulfur atoms. The 2 sulfur atoms are joined by oxygen, which is the linkage formed when a water molecule is lost from 2 OH groups, and rest of the bonds are double bonds with oxygen atoms. So this is the structure for pyrosulfuric acid. This you must remember, and after drawing the structure you must count the number of oxygens and hydrogens in exam to ensure the correct formula. Then we have peroxodisulfuric acid. Peroxodisulfuric acid has a formula H2S2O8. This is also known as Marshall's acid. Now its structure is similar to pyrosulfuric acid, but since it is peroxo, it has 1 more oxygen, as you see in the formula also. So it has a peroxide linkage. So we have to start with sulfur atoms, the central atoms, valencies in tetrahedral manner as earlier. Then 2 OH bonds, 1 with each sulfur, and in the center, that is 2 sulfur atoms are joined by peroxide linkage, and rest of the bonds are double bonds with oxygen atoms. So this is the formula of peroxodisulfuric acid.